Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to see Power BI plus SQL complete video course, and it is included with projects and the most important artificial intelligence modules, nothing but AI modules, right? So and this will be real-time modules, which I will be explaining you how to do the complete setup of AI and the real-time examples of creating dashboards, writing multiple tax queries and everything. Okay. So this is an comprehensive course where you will be learning everything with projects. Everything is explained, and it is a 95 plus hours of content, which is of industry level and which is taught by myself, Swapnajit. Yes, I am a founder of Data Tutorials channel, and all my videos you might have seen on YouTube. The same quality of videos I have used in this particular course. It will be an English course with a very simple language. Even a non-English speaker or can also understand everything, right? So I will just take you to the depth of this course, what curriculum is included, what has been explained, what you will be getting, and everything. Okay. Okay guys, so this will be the landing page. So all the links for this course and my website is available in the description of this video. So if you can see, this is the landing page. This is my page where everything is available. Okay. And when you scroll down, so almost you can see 4.8 ratings has been given. Okay. And more than 6,000 people here you can see have applied to this particular project, or we can say this entire courses, right? So I have different kinds of offerings. So there are packaged courses, and then there are, if you want some individual courses, those are also available, right? Packaged course consists of SQL plus Power BI. That is, SQL is there, Power BI is available in it, AI integrated videos, right? Then Power BI projects, SQL projects are included in SQL project only, or in SQL course itself. For Power BI there will be a complete set of course available. And then materials are also available. Materials is nothing but, in this you will get entire set of interview questions of all rounds, cheat sheets, right? PDFs, PPTs, ebooks, right? Handwritten notes, digital notes. So before interview, if you go through that, you will be able to learn everything and revise everything, whatever you learned in everything in your video, right? So those materials also you will get some practice data sets, some for creating some projects and practicing all the video courses as well, right? So you can see individual courses are also available if you're only interested in SQL, Power BI, or only Power BI package, where Power BI plus AI plus tax is available, plus 21 course videos, right? That is, projects videos are available. Tax course individually is available. If you want to leave projects, then projects are also available. So quickly, what I will do, I will take you through all the content which is available in each and every course, right? So you can see, first I will tell you the about the Power BI course, right? So you can see this is the Power BI course, right? Here itself you will be able to watch all those videos, right? Whenever you purchase, same like Udemy, on TopMed website itself you will be able to watch all the videos, right? Where if I run this, and now I just mute this, but here you can see you can increase the speed, you can change the quality of whatever you are viewing it in, right? And all the videos are HD videos, right? Everything is stocked by me, everything, all the data for let's say for this video I am using some data. That data you can just scroll down the video, and at the bottom here you can see the data, you can download it from here. Okay. So if I take you through the Power BI module, so I have mentioned the quick introduction of Power BI. What is the UI? Then what are the different types of data inputs that we can do in Power BI, right? Through Excel files, CSV servers, CSV files, folders, SQL server. In this, I will be adding Fabric ADLS also in few days, or in this week itself, right? And I will be updating this course on a monthly basis. New models will be added on monthly basis, projects, new topics, new release which are made by Power BI, everything, right? So you can see, then I will teach you what is meaning of direct query mode and import mode, right? It is also important. Then I've taught all the data types and data fields, right? Here you can see everything is available. The duration of course is also available. Every file formats I have taught over here, nothing but what are the type of all formats which are available in Power BI, how to save it, what is the significance of each and every format, right? Then hierarchy and drill down, these are mostly used in dashboards, right? Why to use hierarchy and why to use drill ups and drill downs, so you can deep dive in the data and see the backend data, right? Then 29 types of charts I have taught. Each and every chart has been explained, meaning of each and every chart, use of each and every chart, application of each and every chart, right? So in this I have also added some custom charts as well, right? So then we have sorting. So different level of sorting, column level, visual level, report level sorting has been explained, right? Then filters are also very important, right? Which are visual level, report level, page level, basic filters, advanced filters, measure filters, dimension filters, stop and date filters, right? And then there are interactive filters. Same way slicers are there. Slicer is also visual, right? But it will be available for user to see from where they can filter or slice the data, right? So different level of slicers also, and different types of slicer are being taught, right? Dimension is there, measure, date, button, text, and list slicers. So these last three are newly added in the latest release in Power BI. Okay. Then groups and bins, how to create groups, how to create bins, parameters, right? Very important. Make our visuals dynamic and to add a variable inside our calculations, right? Which can dynamically change the behavior of the chart, right? So then field parameters, numerical parameters, which are important. Then entire data cleaning process, how you do inside Power Query is been taught, right? So this all is taught inside the Power Query, and I will be adding more advanced and complex topics in Power Query. Those are already in preparation. In coming 5 to 7 days it will be added, right? Then data modeling, real time data modeling, how to do, right? What is data modeling, what is that data tables, how to identify facts and dimensions, how to arrange the tables, right? Then what is schemas, what is inactive, active, what are cardinalities, what are important points that you should remember while creating a data model, right? Similar way, here we will be creating a brand new data model, right? So this is about data cleaning and modeling, and after that, important the DAX will be taught. All the DAX which is available here are separated out in a separate course. If you just want to purchase the DAX course, then that I have created as a separate course for you if you are only interested in DAX. But that same course is available inside this entire Power BI course. All the modules are available inside this also, right? So if you purchase this, you don't have to purchase the DAX course as a separate thing. Okay, it is included in this everything. Okay, so I have given quick introduction on DAX and how to first I have taught the measures and calculated columns because it is the base of other DAX functions. So I have calculated or I have explained it at the start itself, right? Then I have taught all the aggregate functions, right? I have started with all the aggregate functions. Each function is taught with an concept, syntax, and with an real-time application example, right? In that way, the structure has been created of all the racks, right? So then I have taught all the logical functions. You can see these are all the logical function, if error, and or not switch, true, everything. And important date functions, because in each and every data set, date is available, and most of the business want everything on date itself, right? So you can see these are all the date functions which are been taught. And time intelligence functions are very, very important, which we create based on calendar table or date table. And if you want to find out historical dates and compare it with the current dates, then we use time intelligence functions like year to date, month to date, last year sales, last 6 month sales, rolling 6 month sales, trailing 13 month sales. Likewise, everything will be calculated by using time intelligence functions. So more weightage I have given on DAX, right? You can see almost 2 hours of each and every function is been taught, right? Then I have included filter functions, right? Then I have included text functions. You can read everything. The detailed syllabus is also available. I will show you. Then visual calculations. Then Power BI service is also taught, right? Visual calculation is an advanced topic, which was newly introduced. So I have added that also. Power BI service is also available. This is nothing but, how to work with server, right? How to publish reports, how to manage their accesses, how to schedule a refresh, how to add a row level security. Okay, so this type of information is all available inside this particular course. Okay, then more importantly, AI is in Power BI. So few artificial intelligence charts which are available in Power BI. I have taught that. Then next very important thing, Claude AI in Power BI. The complete setup, integration and application I have told. In this, you can see it is more than 1 hour of video where I have explained everything of usage of Claude AI, how to install it, after installation, how to work on the JSON file, how to use MCP servers, okay, as well as how to install Visual Studio because it is required. In that, how to install the MCP server, then how to connect Cloud with Power BI. Then, by using a real-time data model or real-time data, I have created or used the Claude AI to create different date tables, entire DAX calculation, advanced DAX calculations, advanced KPIs. I have also created a dashboard inside of our Cloud using Claude AI. So AI is the future. So AI also modules or AI modules are also been added over here, right? Then I have added three or I mean these two projects. One is Uber analysis and then there is meta analysis where whatever you have learned, you will be able to apply these particular projects, right? Then I have also included scenario based interview questions, right? Where all the real time questions which are asked mostly in the interviews that are been added. Then you can see these are the handwritten notes, right? So where from where you can just download all the notes from here. You can see at the bottom. Then all the interview questions, right? So all interview Q and A's from here you can see also and download also, and the complete Power BI material. So using this link, you can actually download all the materials from here. Okay. So this was all about Power BI. I'll quickly jump on and tell you on SQL, the curriculum, everything. So you can see SQL, everything from basic is been taught, and the database used inside this is MySQL. So you can see everything related to MySQL has been taught, the introduction, how to create a database, and in this also same way you can download the data from here. This course is also taught by myself, where you can write the query inside MySQL or MS SQL Server or Postgres or Oracle, right? Just few changes will be there and you will be able to use it, right? So you can see creating how to create a database, how to create a table, right? All the queries are being used. What are the different types of constraints? Then DDL commands, right? All the DDL commands, all DQL commands, usage of them, limitations of them, sequence of writing, everything has been explained. Different operators, right? And or not, like, is, null, arithmetic, assignment operators, everything, right? And sorry, assignment is also available over here, nothing but at the end you will be given an assignment. After each and every topics, you will be given an assignment where you have to solve that assignment, right? And by using that assignment you will be able to showcase or you will be able to understand how much you have learned. So assignment is also available for after each and every topic, right? Then a limit, order by, offset, group by, and having clause, these are not combined because those are related to each other. Again, here I have added two assignment for this topic. Right here you can see two assignment I have added, so you will be able to practice all of them. Multiple questions are there. I have taught all the aggregate functions over here: sum, count, average, maximum, minimum. Okay. Then what is primary key and foreign key? Because these are required before you learn joins, right? And after this, immediately I have taught all the joins: inner, left, right, full, outer, and all the assignment available for this. Also, assignment is also taught, right? And the real time interview questions on joins also I have explained it over here. Then I have taught all the subqueries, right? Different examples, correlated subquery, right? And all those examples are also taught over here, right? Then all multiple window functions, which are most important. And in the window function itself, rank functions are taught, right? A different average, rank, first value, last value, and then assignment, obviously, right? Each and every topic will have an assignment. CT is nothing but common table expressions, right? Here you can see examples of CTs with window function and other examples also, like recursive CTs. Recursive CT with examples also is been taught. Text functions are also available. A entire set of text functions are taught. Numeric functions like round, floor, truncate, these are required when you create a dashboard or create a report using SQL for any of the report or project. And control flow functions, nothing but where you will be using case statements, if statements, if null statements, right? So case statements are mostly used. So 4 to 5 scenarios I have added on case statement also. Then most important, date and time functions, because we deal with date and time functions most of the time in SQL queries. So that has been also added. Views also have added, because in real time we work with views most of the time, a temporary table or a view which is created based on multiple tables by using joins, right? I've also taught materialized views. And after that, a complete scenario based questions, where I have taught top 10 to 15 scenario based questions also. Then you can see I have added a SQL material over here, which is of 100 MB, right? You can actually download it, use it for your own use in your cell phones. Whenever you are away, you can learn everything, notes, PPTs, interview questions, everything is there in that. And at last, I have added 3 SQL projects, right? Where you will be learning all whatever you have studied, and you will be able to apply that in this SQL project, right? So SQL is very vast. You don't have to learn each and every topic, but whatever is required as a data analyst, I have just touched those. And each and every topic which are required for data analyst, I have taught everything, right? So just focus on whatever I have provided, right? Which is very important. Then next, I would like to tell you about Power BI projects, right? So you can see I have added 21 Power BI projects over here, right? Because for SQL, 3 projects are there. More I am creating, but for Power BI, I have added more and more projects, because most of the time you will be creating projects in Power BI only. So you can see these are the Power BI projects with video, with all the data which is available inside that, right? So you can see each and every project is explained from start to end. All video files are available. PBIX files are also available. You can just mail me. I will send you all the PBIX file or all the working dashboard files of all this, entire course, right? So this is a DAX course. As I told, if you just want to purchase DAX course, then you can see these are the DAX courses which I have just created, which only focus on DAX part, right? So this is a DAX part if you just want to go through the DAX courses. And if you want more information, for example, for Power BI video course, if you just click on this, so it is not 28 hours, it is exceeded more than 20, 30 plus hours of content is there. I will update this. But if you want to learn more and see the detailed syllabus, you can go through this entire description. You can contact me on this WhatsApp number if you have any issues, or on this mail. Okay. Similarly, if you want to see the entire structure, you can just click on this link and you can see all the syllabus in detail, what is been taught inside the course which I'm giving you. So you can see the entire syllabus, right? Each and every module, what I'm going to explain you, everything is there, right? Similar way, you can see in Claude AI, this is the things that I'm going to explain you, everything. Claude AI topics I have included, so it will be very helpful for you to learn, right? So all of this, if I take back, it is available on this particular website, from where you can download all of this, right? And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. You can go through all of this, packages which are available over here at very reasonable price. I have given those, right? For the same type of content outside, you will have to pay in lakhs, right? I have just provided with a very minimal amount that I can. Okay. So you just go through it. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. We can talk on a call or on a chat also, whatever you are comfortable with, and I will explain or resolve your doubts. And if you have any questions, definitely I will answer those also. And if you have any suggestions, any topic which I have missed, if you can just send out an mail or a WhatsApp. So I will be aware and I will try to add those topics as well. So I will see you in the next one in upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.